And here's how to add animated text in WordPress using Elementor. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and now make sure you have installed and activated the Elementor plugin. Now we have to install another plugin. So go to add new plugin page, and here search for essential add-on, and all you have to need install and activate these essential add-ons for Elementor plugin. And set up these plugins from here. Okay, now let's create a new post, and I'm clicking on edit with Elementor. So all you have to need, edit the specific post or page with Elementor, in which page or post you want to add running text. Here let's add a new container, selecting grid, selecting this structure for example, and I'm clicking on this plus icon, and in the search widget box type here fancy, and through the plugin here you see this fancy text that comes from essential add-on. So all you have to need, drag this widget, and here we can see already a running text added. Now we will modify this running text. So in this left hand menu, select content and expand fancy text. And here we can see currently 3 different texts are added. Now in order to edit our existing text, click on the first text, and here go ahead and write your first text. So here you can see my first text added, and here go ahead and write your second text, and in this box write here your third text or third item. And now to add more item, click here, and now go ahead and add more text, more item, just like so. And after that, click on fancy text settings, and here animation type, click on this drop down, and here you'll find bunch of different animation type. You can select any of them, just like so. So in my case, I'm selecting this typing option, and here you can change typing speed, you can change delay on change, you can loop the animation. So make sure to enable loop option, and display type cursor. Here we can see the cursor pointer. If you don't want to show the cursor pointer, just disable this option. Okay, now go to style section, and here you can go ahead and customize your animated or running text. You can change text, you can change text color from here. So go ahead and customize, and then click on publish, and that's it. This is how we can add running text or animation text in Elementor. Thanks for watching.